this machine called Yonanas, and frozen fruit is all we added, and it looks like this when you're done. So for each little bowl like this, about 3 frozen halves of bananas and about 4 or 5 frozen strawberries. And it's pretty loud, so. And you just put it in the top. And it comes out ice cream, and it's just frozen fruit. We added nothing to it.